In this video, we'll be finding the Taylor series for cosine tangent x centered at 2 pi. So we're given f of x is cosine tangent x. If I plug in 2 pi, I get 1. Next, I'm going to find the derivative. So I find the derivative, plug in 2 pi, and get 0. Let's find the second derivative. This is the second derivative, plug in 2 pi, get negative 1. Now for the third derivative, it's this, plug in 2 pi, I get 0. Find the fourth derivative, plug in 2 pi, get negative 7. So far, I've taken 4 derivatives, which will be a polynomial of degree 4. So if I want to have polynomial of degree 5, I better take 5 derivatives. So this would be the fifth derivative, and if I plug in 2 pi, I end up getting 0. Okay. So this is what we have so far. And from here, we can find our Taylor series. Okay, so you start with the first term. So that's the f of 2 pi, which is 1, minus negative 1 is the next coefficient because the first derivative was 0, so you skip a term. And then you have x minus 2 pi to the second power because the exponent is the same number as the derivative. So this is second derivative, means second power. And you have to divide it by 2 factorial. The third derivative gives us 0, so we're going to skip over that. And we're going to go to the fourth derivative. For the fourth derivative, we get a coefficient of negative 7. And because we're centered at x equals 2 pi, we need to have x minus 2 pi. The derivative is 4. Therefore, we put x minus 2 pi to the fourth power. And then we divide by 4 factorial, which is 24. Because the fifth derivative is 0, I do not include that. And so that is my final answer.